Refer to your Xvivo manual for an in-depth explanation of changing terminal filters, also known as external filters. In this video, we will show you how to change the external syringe filter in a process chamber. Before changing a filter, disinfect and transfer a new replacement filter into the module where it will be changed. In the Xvivo software, turn the sample stream pump off in the module you are changing the filter. For the syringe filters, twist the filter clockwise to remove it. Then open the new sterile syringe filter. Twist it on counterclockwise, taking care not to turn it too far because this can break the filter fitting that holds it in place. Other external filters use a push-pull method to remove and replace. Once finished replacing filters in this module, turn the sample stream pump and controls back on. If you need to order replacement filters for your Xvivo or need additional guidance for changing these filters, please contact our service department.